Good morning or good evening, everyone. Our topic for today is all about auto boxing Java tutorial rubber class part 1. So, today's video will talk about first classes, ng mga kaklase sa Tagalog, char. So, yun. Kasi ano to, hiram na salita. So, sa isang grupo, may lonely. De, joke lang. So, what are class? Class is a method for grouping data and functionality. In Java naman, a class in Java is a set of objects which shares common characteristics or behavior and common properties or attributes. When we want to store data, we always use type of data int, float, double, so on and so forth. Those data types used to store data tulad nga ng int, meaning integer, pinakli lang. No? The integer class wraps a value of the primitive types int in an object. Remember that data types are divided into two groups. Ano yung group na yon? No? Meron tayong primitive data types, meron din non-primitive data type. So, yung primitive data types includes byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and charot. Character pala. Sa non-primitive naman, non-primitive data types such as string, arrays, and classes. So, you will learn more about this in my another video. Okay? So, yung umpisa na nga natin ang kalokohan. Ang kalokohan. I mean, ang kalaman. Ang ginamit ko dito ay NetBeans IDE 8.2. Mada-download nyo po ito ng libre at ma-install nyo po ito kagad. ASAP, walang kuskus, balungos, ganun. So, yun, pag na-install na, click file, may magpo-pop up dyan na new project, just click next button. For your project name, bahala na kayo kung anong file name, depende sa project that what you need or want to create. No? Nag-type lang ako dyan ng today's video, alangan nga tomorrow's video, diba? So, sa project location, di ko na pinapakailaman yun at hindi naman ako titid, char. Siyempre, sa document ko lang siya i-click. Then, click finish. Okay? O, ayan, may warning. So, yung flash drive. Next step, double-click nyo lang yung ginawa nyong file. Hide ko lang yung mga unnecessary talaga. So, yun. Joke. Unnecessary. Wala na tuloy. Maglagay lang tayo ng primitive data, yung int sa loob ng curly bracket. Isa lang naman yung curly dyan. Wala namang ibang curly dyan. Kasi bracket lang. So, yun. Type int I is equal to 8 double slash symbol para ma-indicate or kasi dalawang slash yung symbol yung comment or statement. So, lagay lang na tayo ng primitive data types dyan. Hindi naman makakasira or ma-read yan ng pag nagparan ka ng Java file. Okay? Space. Okay. So, pwede nyo din i-delete yung to-do code application logic here. Pwede nyo i-delete. Yan sabi ko, lagyan nyo ng primitive data type. Nantok na. So, next, maglagay tayo ng integer, no? Okay, sa taas po pala. Wait lang. Integer. Okay, and then, dalawang slash. Okay, integer is a class. No? So, instead, int, we use integer. So, type integer to I, yung I is not a primitive variable, it's a reference. Then, type equal new integer, open and close, integer, open and close, parenthesis, and then 8 semicolon. Don't forget semicolon. The semicolon is a part of syntax in Java. Ibig sabihin nito na tama na, dili na, ayaw na sa'yo. Wakas na. Joke. Ay, nako. So, we have a value of 8 then we have a value of 8 then sana all may value. Okay, this line or this integer here is proper class. So, type proper class lang. Yung float naman sa next part na kasi gabi na. Good night.